Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the UCB Banks mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. UCB Banks is a mobile banking app designed to help users access and manage their accounts on the go. It offers features such as account balance viewing, transaction history, mobile check deposits, funds transfers, including via Zelle, card controls, alerts, and secure login. The app's main feature is its mobile-first account management and digital banking convenience. You can sign in to view balances, monitor recent transactions, transfer money between accounts, pay loans and bills, deposit checks from your phone's camera, receive real-time alerts, and manage your debit/credit cards, turn on, off, set alerts, all within the app. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the ease of use, the broad set of digital tools, including mobile deposit and Zelle, and the ability to monitor and control their banking conveniently from a smartphone. The app gives flexibility and helps reduce the need to visit a branch. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users note that certain features may be limited depending on account type or region, for instance deposit limits or advanced services. Others mention occasional delays in transaction updates or needing to re-authenticate when the app is updated. Also, while the app supports many functions, users seeking extremely advanced forecasting, multi-bank aggregation, or specialized investment tools might require additional apps. In summary, the UCB Banks app may be worth using if you want a comprehensive mobile banking solution that covers most everyday needs: checking balances, transferring funds, depositing checks, setting alerts, and controlling your cards. However, if you're looking for highly advanced financial planning or investment tracking, you might find some constraints. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.